Alright. What we're documenting is that Wiggy the dumbass would not stay off the top of the terrarium, so it was removed by Mike.
It's a lizard cat.
And Wiggy's a little surprised. Wiggy! How are you gonna get out? What happened? It's a Wiggy in a box.
I'm sure there's
You gonna find a boog? Hey, Wiggy! What's up? Wiggy! How are you gonna get out? You gonna get out of there? Should I get her out now? Wiggy, get out. I'll get you out. Come here, it's okay. Oh, you're dirty.
Don't put her over the printer.